here is our unboxing video for the Sophie Toffee Premium box for April, which is the Sakura box. We open it and we have what's in your box. And this is the list of items along with what's in the premium box, which is LED UV hard resin that's made in Japan and a coating decollage coat, and along with Sakura themed clear resin film. And along with this is the April Elves Box Sakura Latte, and when we upload and hashtag the Elves Box, we have a chance to win the monthly creative, a free box. So a bunch of fluff, let's just move all this fluff aside. We got glitter. This is going to be in the standard box. We have this. These are items that are going to be in the standard box. Something here. This is, okay, I think this is the premium. I think this is the premium one. Hard resin. This is, I know this is in the standard box. We have little cute latte things. Then we have clear illustrations sheet along with this one, the film, the clear film of sakura flowers. And we have little keychain thing. I have a normal box that's actually open. We have the decollage coat. Maybe I can open it for you guys to see. Okay, let's put this back in here. We have this, which when you open up there is, okay, really pretty pieces. So let's open this up and show you. Wow, 5 pieces. Okay, okay, and let's put them back. So last item in here are little metal pieces, little sakura flowers that are silver and gold. I'm actually going to put it back in here so I don't lose it. This tiny little bag. Inside a small bag. So, flowers right here. They look like, are these plastic or paper? They're plastic. Oh look, one fell out on my hand, one, oh, it's falling everywhere. Okay. I need to put it back in so I don't lose it. You have a three tones of pink. Light pink, bright pink, and it's something in the middle. And we got all these. This is like the pink box. Pink and white. 2 hair sticks. 1, 2, both gold tone metal. Kind of a lighter, it's not really yellow. It's a nice, more of a metal, natural gold look. Doesn't look like bright yellow thing. This little keychain thing. And then a silver tone one also. And then, last but not least, pink. This is clear color, transparent clear pink pigment. Okay, so that is what came in the premium box. Now, I actually have a standard box because I accidentally subscribed to both because they used to have different boxes for standard and premium, but well, this, now I know. So yeah, same papers. It actually has, oh, so this is, yeah, These are for the premium. You can tell that, yeah, you saw them in the premium pile, or when I showed you, this is the Sophie Toffee exclusive item for this month, right here. Yeah. Same pink glitter fix. Got 2 of those now. Okay, so I did open this before, which is why everything's out of the container. You got the latte cups. Pop, open, everything can be put together. This, they said on their website, will require a rubber band or something to keep it together. Here's the lid for the little latte coffee cups. Here's the UV crystal gel. Got your sakura flower, silicone molds. You got these little metal things. And then got the clear sheet. Now we have 2 of them. And we got another bag with two hair sticks, the thin filigree, metal filigree pieces, along with, okay, so you got silver sakura keychain, gold sakura keychain, this keychain. It goes in, I think it went in one of these bags. I'm gonna just put it in, yeah, it went in a bag. I'm just gonna put it in here because it's small and bags and bags, good organization. Once again, the bright pink flowers, pastel pink flowers, something in the middle. And not extra, this is one pink, transparent, clear pink dye. You can see how bright it is here. Woo, shake, 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 shake. And of course the colorful peanuts. Okay, today, and the box is pink. Okay, thank you for watching my unboxing video. I should have other videos up soon. I want to make some stuff with this, and remember to subscribe if you like this video and want to see more.
If you're interested in getting some craft supplies, I have a 15% coupon code for Sophie and Toffee in the description below.